Welcome, today I am with GoPro Hero 10 Black and I will show you how you can make update of the software in this device. So at the first we have to open our quick panel, go for the preferences, scroll down to the bottom to the about, and then click on the GoPro updates. As you can see here we got the notification that we have to connect our device with GoPro Quick application. So yeah, that's very simple and that's very obvious, because when you enter for this option you already know that you have to make it. So I think that you did it right. But if you don't know how to get this application, take a look. You have to go for the Play Store, type Quick, and you have to you have to install this Quick GoPro Video Edition and Slideshow Maker application. So when you make it, you can open, and when you get some kind of the notification, like some kind of the request for permission, you have to accept all of them. And then when you are here, you have to click on the right upper corner of your camera. Here is your camera. So how we can make the update? You have to click right here on the right upper corner again on the three dots, and then you will be able to pick this option. As you can see in my case, it's unavailable, so I cannot click it, but it will be available. It will look the same like this option, so it will be highlighted on the gray color, and we will be able to tap here and update. But in my case, my firmware is up to date, so I cannot make any kind of the software update. You can also set up auto upload manually. Of course, it's the different option. It's not update, it's upload of all of your videos and photos that you take with this camera. But yeah, that's basically how you can make the update of this GoPro Hero 10 Black. So if you have any question, you can leave them in the comment, and that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.